Welcome to today's guide on how to change your name on Facebook, updated with the latest steps for 2025. If you've recently gotten married, decided to adjust your profile name, or just want a fresh update, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once the app opens, look for the menu icon that's the 3 lines in the bottom or top corner of your screen, depending on your device. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it, and then choose Settings. This will bring up a full list of options related to your account. Next, tap on Account Center. This is where Facebook now manages information shared across Meta platforms, like Instagram and Threads. Under the Account Center, select Profiles. You'll see the list of profiles linked to your account. Choose the account where you want to change the name, then tap Name. Now, enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. You can adjust your first, middle, or last name here. Once you're done, tap Review Change. This step lets you double-check everything before saving. Facebook will then show you a few different ways your name can be displayed. Pick the one you prefer, and once you're confident it looks right, tap Save Changes. And that's it. Your name will now be updated across Facebook. Keep in mind that Facebook limits how often you can change your name, so make sure it's spelled exactly how you want it before confirming. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need an updated guide. Thanks for watching.